Hello, sir. I'm also very much assistant police. We do a stop, sir. It's a registered owner of this vehicle probably has a warrant. You bought this vehicle recently? Hmm? Do you have a driver's license on you then? Are you from Arizona at all? No, never ever? You have the registration and insurance for the vehicle? No weapons or anything on you right now? Alright, if you can't find it, can you just step out for me and we're gonna walk back to my unit, alright? Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. I didn't pull a gun on me, I need assistance, please. He's taking off right now.
We have sharp fires.
The following video shows the end of the officer's pursuit, which led to the second shooting incident.
10-4, he's going up a high winds road up to a property. Put your hands up! Put your hands up! I will shoot you! He's shooting back, he's shooting back. Shot fired, he's shooting. Put your hands up! He's down on the ground, possibly hit. Put your hands up! Let me see your hands!
Firearm is possibly in his left hand.